Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, the poor people governor. Also, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer. Also, we want to talk about Alkaline, the man himself, the vendetta boss. So people, Vybz Kartel this a youth in a comment section and tell the youth figure suck a mother in a the wickedest way. And me I tell you say the youth deserve it. After Vybz Kartel make a post with some palm tree after and just forward from Canada. The youth a tell Kartel say down a yard in Sudan there. I help the people them. He might tell Vybz Kartel what to do. So he run up in a suck your mother. Kartel styling in a the wickedest way. Enough people want the artists them to do everything. The people them are style the artists and feel to say every artist can work at the same time. Every artist have different plan. Every artist have them team. Them have to come together with them team and foundation and make them plan, organize, buy the stuff them, get the stuff them, package out, make a plan, have an idea, and come to a level of agreement for what them are going to do, when them are going to do it, and how them are going to do it. Remember, said the hurricane hit last week. Since so at the end of the day, Jamaica now go rebuild in a 1 week, 1 month or 2 months. Even next year, enough people still are go hungry and enough people still are go want things. So enough artists step on the ground. A help out and everybody a do them thing in a them own a time. Remember say enough artists live at Jamaica and you don't know if the artists them family, close friend, team members them need help. Them have to help who they can help first before them touch the street. So you don't have to give the artists them some time. Remember, a politician on a vote for, a politician on a fight for. No for no rate the artists them, but no for no a ball to the artists them. Remember, so no for no did want Vybz Kartel for dead a prison. No for no never want Vybz Kartel for come a road. But no Vybz Kartel da road, uno a run down Kartel, I say Kartel fi do this to people, Kartel fi do any that, Kartel must help a one year, like say Vybz Kartel can rebuild Jamaica by himself. Remember, a politician on a vote for and no found never support the artists them. No found never buy a CD. No found no go stage show. No found no support the artists them in a no farmer way. So no found did want Kartel for dead a prison. So if Kartel decide say he not do nothing for Jamaica, on no can't blame him. But the man decide say he go help out in a film on a time. So Kartel tell the brother they figure suck him mother and the brother they deserve it. Me agree with Vybz Kartel. Go suck your mother. And so we saw a Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, step out in a the wickedest way and style some people in a comment section. Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, the poor people governor. When Bounty Killer do frigate, we beat him. But you know, say Bounty cross angry and miserable. So now and then Bounty go on with some frigate where we have to beat him. But Bounty Killer, the Ground Godzilla, a one person only not have to ask for give back. Bounty Killer been a give back. Bounty Killer been having foundation. Bounty Killer say being a man out there do it and being a man been a help people in a Jamaica. Bounty Killer say the people them a cuss DJ Khaled. I say where is DJ Khaled? Now the people them want help from DJ Khaled. The same people them we say DJ Khaled a culture vulture. Bounty killer burn them out and I make them know say them a hypocrite. Cause over the years them style DJ Khaled. Them diss DJ Khaled. Them say DJ Khaled a culture vulture. Them say DJ Khaled a use dancehall. Enough of them never support DJ Khaled. Enough of them no buy him album. Enough of them no listen to him music. But now enough of them a struggle and a suffer. Enough of them a say DJ Khaled fi help Jamaica. While the same people them way I say DJ Khaled fi help Jamaica, enough of them are Jamaican, enough of them nah give back, enough of them style DJ Khaled. Bounty Killer say enough Jamaican people are hypocrite. Bounty Killer say having foundation for years and him a ask help. Them never support him foundation. Them never help him with no charity. When he want give back to the hospital. When he want give back to the school. When he want help out in a sea view. When he want buy people wheelchair. Cause crazy people Bounty Killer help out here. We see Bounty Killer buy wheelchair give a youth. We disabled. We see Bounty Killer help a old lady were blind. We see Bounty Killer give back to the hospital, fan, AC, bed, all type of things. None of them never support Bounty Killer Foundation. But now that Bounty Killer out here and them see the hurricane, them a call for Bounty Killer. Now him are the poor people governor. But when him ask them for help with him foundation, them never help him. And Bounty Killer is no stranger when it come to helping Jamaican people. One thing with Bounty Killer, him always a give back. And we know Bounty Killer help enough youths around here. We see Bounty Killer help Elephant Man. We see help Wayne Marshall. We see help Movado. We see help Kartel. Busy Signal. We can go on and on the amount of people where Bounty Killer helping at the music industry to become millionaire. The amount of kids when help, amount of school when help. So Bounty Killer is no stranger when it come to helping people. Only not have to tell Bounty Killer for roll out. A years Bounty Killer I do this and not today. Bounty Killer do this way before hurricane. Killer is a youth every time he go on tour or every time he make a nice piece of food. Him always a help out. Him always a give back. Even when Bounty Killer na tour, even when Bounty Killer na have no visa to go certain place in the world, Bounty Killer still a help out people. Bounty Killer still a give back. Bounty Killer still look out for people. A whole heap of artists where nothing na go on for Bounty Killer help pay them rent. She no say anytime he broke and nothing na go on, Killer used to give him dub plate and him used to sell it and make a food. So crazy people before Gully Bop drop out, Gully Bop say he used to go check Bounty Killer every Sunday. Bounty Killer used to make sure say Gully Bop have food, Gully Bop have money, and Bounty Killer never said nothing to nobody. A Gully Bop come on road and talk. Say Bounty Killer one artist we always look out for him. Gully Bop say Bounty Killer one artist we never make him hungry. The man say respect Bounty Killer. Every time you see Bounty Killer give him a piece of food. We know a Killer cross. We know he miserable. We know he not perfect. We know he having dirty ways. Cause Bounty Killer a human being like we. But when it come to philanthropy and take care of people, give back and foundation, do not question Miss Ivy Lawson. Say what you want to say about him. But we help people, take care of people, give back. Bounty Killer a poor people governor. Hands down. He's not perfect. But when it come to help people, as Footer Hype say, he not so uno a run down artists. Like how uno run down politician. A politician uno vote for. A politician get uno vote. Uno bex with uno neighbor over politician. So the support where politician get, artists not get it. Cartel a figure prison fi full out the stadium, and every time you have any type of politician thing, the stadium will full out in a no time. Arena always full out. A road black. When they come to politician, the whole country turn green. The whole country turn orange. Tell me which artist make the whole Jamaica go in a frenzy. Nothing cartel. So at the end of the day, the love wanna give to politician and how wanna support politician. Wanna support artists so. Uno a die-hearted labor right, die-hearted PMP. So the support we want to give to politicians, uno no give it to artists. So bounty killer so no ungrateful. Uno fi come out and DM and him a go work in him own a time and him a go do what him want do when him ready fi do it. Cause none of uno no support him foundation. None of uno no help him. So bounty killer and DJ Khaled a go come together and give back to Jamaica. So Bounty Killer, we the best with DJ Khaled are going to launch them foundation and give back and support Jamaican people. On just wait, everybody can work at the same time. It's not like say the people them need food this week alone. Them are gonna need food next week. Them are gonna need food in a December, January, February, March, April, May. No five people them now go get back on them foot anytime soon. Stop pressure artists and go pressure the government. Right now the artists them are give back more than the government. So people also we see where Alkaline, the vendetta boss, a commander attack from certain haters, from certain people when I like Alkaline. Them must say them not see Alkaline out there. Them say them not see Alkaline on the internet. Them not see Alkaline none at all. Uno a wicked, uno a bad mind, uno a hater, uno know the youth personality. Alkaline post a picture, no caption, boy. Uno no see Alkaline yaso, uno no see Alkaline deso. All Alkaline do a music. You will see him post a one picture. You will see Alkaline pan tour I do him show them, or you see a music video. Alkaline is a person where the man antisocial before the hurricane, or the man persona that. So now I say because of the hurricane, Alkaline must out here and run up and down in the street. Right now, we see where I go on in Jamaica with the hurricane, and enough people are struggle. Alkaline I go give back. Alkaline and him sister them have them foundation where them I go give back. Alkaline is not new to giving back to Jamaican people. Remember, Alkaline donated $1 million to the Blind Youths Foundation in a Jamaica. Alkaline help out the blind people in a Jamaica and do that donation there already $1 million. Remember, in a Trelawney in a 2025, Alkaline help out the 4-H club in a Trelawney. The man also employed people from Trelawney for work and new rules and train them where them certified where them can work in any stage show in a Jamaica. Alkaline help out the farmers them in a Trelawney, give back to the farmers them. Alkaline also work with the Ministry of Agriculture to help out youths in a Trelawney who are interested in agriculture and help them with chicken and help them with potato. So at the end of the day, the youth been a give back, but the youth have to work for him time. Him and him team have to sit down and do what them a do and come to agreement. Every artist cannot work out, run out at the same time. Uno a call upon certain artists when a whole heap of other artists out there, thousands of artists there in a Jamaica, but uno pick and choose who fi call upon instead of waiting. Plus, the artists them will run out, give them the respect like the Massacre them, the Spice, the Skeng, the Tammy Lee them, the Cartel, the Popcorn them will run out, the Massacre them, the Rumish them will run out, the Sherlock Riddle, all of them people will run out. Just appreciate them people there. Cause them have to do it step by step. Uno act like a 1 week no more. The people them a go want food. So the vendetta boss been having foundation and been a help people. Uno know say the youth is not an internet person. Uno expect to see the youth anyway. Uno know say the youth move one away. The youth is an introvert. He move how you want move. He cannot move when Uno tell him to move. He have to do what's best for him and his team. And he have to organize. And enough criminal out there already. And the youth no trust people. Plus no found no like the youth. The youth mother is from Trelawney. And the youth plan to help out people in a Trelawney. Enough people in a Trelawney need help. Most of the artists them are go St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. So the youth have to deal with where mother come from first. Trelawney, the youth have families in a Trelawney where need help. Cause that's where mother come from. So the youth have to focus on Trelawney and then he can focus on anywhere else. At the end of the day, uno don't know if the youth house damage. Enough of the artists them have personal people where get hurt and personal people where they can't find. Enough of the artists them have family where need help. Enough of the artists them team members come from a certain area where them family need help as well. Why the hell uno ball to artists? Go ball to the government. Go ball to Andrew Holness or the government uno give uno vote. So when Alkaline and Bounty Killer them ready for roll out and DJ Khaled, them a go roll out when them ready for roll out. Them a organize where them a organize. At the end of the day, no found no like Alkaline. No found no this him every day call him blind boy. No found no this him every day call him brata. Uno style him. Uno say the youth fall off. Uno say Alkaline broke. Uno say Alkaline no have no money. Alkaline can't get a hit song. Uno put down the youth every day and no hurricane come. Uno a ball to the youth. No hurricane come. Uno want to see him out there. Remember so uno saying broke? Remember so uno saying nah get no stage show? Remember uno saying fall off? So if the youth fall off and the youth broke and the youth no have no money, why uno a ball to him for help? Why uno a ball to him? If uno say the youth no hot, no nah go and film in a dance hall, why uno want see him? A wholly more artists out there uno can call upon. Whole heap of artists uno say hotter than the youth, better than the youth. Why uno not call upon them? Uno say the youth fall off. Somehow uno never go and stay true. Never watch one I song. Uno no support him video. Uno no stream him. Uno don't look upon the youth as a part of dancehall. No for uno say Alkaline is not a part of dancehall. No for uno no rate the youth. But all upon a sudden uno a call upon the youth. Uno want see the youth. Kartel have to say the same thing. Kartel say no for uno did want him to dead a prison. No for uno did want him to stay a prison, but no uno want him to go save Jamaica. No for uno never want Alkaline for boss. No for uno want Alkaline dead for hungry, but no uno want Alkaline to go save Jamaica. Alkaline saying can't save the world. That a go be too much for him carry. Alkaline saying can't save the world. That a too much for him carry. So no want Alkaline for save Jamaica. Uno go call upon the government. Go call upon Andrew Holness and him uno put in a power. No for uno a die-hearted labor right, die-hearted PMP. You know how much taxi man me see don't carry labor right? When a politics time, how much PMP don't carry labor right and labor right don't carry PMP. No for uno have uno neighbor uno good for 4 years straight as election time come. Uno hate uno neighbor. How much I know out here fight for artists? How much I know out here die-hearted artist fan? Enough time the artists them drop all a song, uno no watch it, uno nothing watch the video them. Enough time the artists them drop a album, uno do not buy them album. Enough time the artists them keep a stage show, enough uno no support it. But now uno a pocket watch where the artists them have. Why uno no go pocket watch where the government have? The government have over 24 billion Jamaican dollar for getting insurance money. Andrew Holness say have over 400 odd million put on for disaster. Crazy country I send aid. Crazy country I send food. Crazy country I send donation. Why uno no ball to Andrew Holness? When it come to Andrew Holness, uno say it take a little time. Him have to do this. Him have to do that. He under pressure. But the artists them not under pressure. The amount of money where some of them politicians have. Enough of the artists them not have it. The amount of money and house where them politicians have. Enough of the artists them can't give. The politician them not talk. How Andrew Holness not going in pocket, go take out for him personal money. Anything where you see the government a give away, where people give them. But the artists them are going in them pocket. In a them pocket, the artists them are go for help. And who when no help yet, I go in a them pocket. We see some artists not have it like that, but them a help out. Plus, I know everybody are going to do it for the fame. You have some people are going to help Jamaican people because them love them. Some of them are do it for the clout. Some of them are do it for the hype. But at the end of the day, them are spend for the money. So we cool with that. We okay with it. Take your hype, make song, drop song. We like it. You are give back. So take the clout, trace the clout, and then you have some artists who are going to do what them a do. I don't want nobody to know, or them will make them foundation do it. Some of them are going to do it for the love. Them are going to do it for the likes. Some are going to do it for the hype. Some are going to do it in a secretly. Because some artists no want hype up them thing. They no want nobody know. But them are donate. Enough people are donate under the quiet. Enough people have friends and family where them have to take care of. And family member and team member. So when Bunty ready for roll out with DJ Khaled, him a go roll out. When Alkaline ready for roll out, him a go roll out. Uno no know say the people them are going to need help next month. The people them all need help January. Them are going to need help February. Them are going to need help March. And which month come after? The month will come after that. Them are going to need help. Them people are going to need help up until 2027. Seeing, so some of the artists them will give already, them now go give not no more. Probably as somebody else have to go give. Or probably one and two of them are go continue giving. But at the end of the day, if 10 artists run in and give, while the 10 artists they supply a help people them, 10 more run in, and then 10 more run in, then 10 more run in, then 10 more run in. We don't want everybody running in at once. We want them running like this, time after time. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.